Hey guys, Coach here with this week's plant of the week. I don't often do annuals here on the channel, but I wanted to do a few this year for a couple of reasons. Number one, they're generally the most available, and if you keep your eyes open and now with a little education, pay attention to which ones work best. Let me introduce you to the Wave Petunia. A little step down from the Super Petunias that I introduced a couple of weeks ago, but these here tend to last throughout the whole growing season, depending on your zone, spring, summer, and well into fall. They tend to just keep on going and going and going, as opposed to the old-fashioned bedding petunia. The bedding petunias tend to kind of clump up, and then that's about it. You can generally maybe 2 months or so, and pray tell you don't get any caterpillars or anything that want to come in and munch, munch, munch. But the Wave Petunias tend to fill in larger areas. They tend to cascade very well out of hanging baskets and certainly over the edges of bigger containers. I think that they grow so fast and so rapidly that you're generally going to have to give them a little haircut at times, because they'll spill over and off onto the patio or all the way to the ground. And you don't want them to break at the edges that they're cascading over. So either support the edge somehow or nip and tuck them once in a while and get them to flush out again. Feed them 3 times throughout the season. Once at planting, mid-season, and late season. And when I say late, like first part of September, Labor Day, and get them through the last 6 weeks or so. As soon as you have a frost, they're going to be basically done, hence the word annual. There are times and occasions, I do not guarantee this, but sometimes they will seed, and you will see volunteers the next year or so randomly popping up in the beds that they were in or the containers they were in the year before. We have pink and we have red this year, and they're going to be going down on the boulder bed and the utility pole bed at the driveway. So, looking forward to that. Generally about 3 to 6 inches tall and can spread out 4 feet each plant. So give it some space. If you have a big filler area of a new landscape and you need to fill in between dinky shrubs and stuff, right there. It'll really give you a good bang for your buck. When I sold these, when they first were patented and hybridized, I sold these for $5.98. in a 6-pack. They were all the rage. Good lordy, at the box store, they're $13 for a 6-pack. But you do get a lot of space filled up for your $13. You might find them cheaper, you might find them a little more expensive, but they're generally easy to find, so take advantage of it. The Wave Petunia, great long-lasting annual that'll go from last of frost to first of frost. I wish you luck. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. You can email me anytime, youryardcoach@gmail.com. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.